to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys about this crochet hair from Trendy Tresses. All right, so I'm wearing 4.5 packs of the Trendy Tresses Free Spirited Curls. You just saw how I installed the hair, how I cut the hair, all that kind of stuff. I really wanted to show you guys just how I cut curly hair, and this was actually my first time cutting crochet hair like this. Let me go ahead and get right into the pros and the cons with the pros of this hair. The hair is beautiful. It is beautiful. It looks like natural hair to the T, especially cut like this. The curls are beautiful. One thing about Trendy Tresses that is very consistent, the hair is always soft. The hair is great quality. It's always just like, no matter what I get, it's bouncy, springy, and I don't know, I always like that about Trendy Tresses. This hair is very forgiving, and it will cover any gaps that you have, and I purposely made those gaps. All right guys, so let me get into the cons. And my major con for this hair is that it was difficult for me to split using the full strand of hair. I feel like this hair would be best if it already came in single strands ready to crochet. If you're a beginner at crocheting, I would not use this hair. If you have been crocheting and you know what you're doing and you got it or whatever, then you can make it work. I would not be, I would be very confident that you'd be able to make it work. Beginners, however, I don't know if I would suggest this hair to crochet unless you were cutting it in half and doing a shorter style. Then I'd be like, okay, cool, you can handle it. Crocheting is not hard. It's not hard at all. However, the hair that you may come into contact with, not just dealing with Trendy Tresses, may give you a little bit hard, like a hard time. This hair took me a good minute to install. It was not a quick install for me, simply because I couldn't get my flow right. I couldn't get the splitting of the hair quite right, and I ended up at one point with this just big mess ball of hair, and I was like, I am not gonna have enough packs of hair to cover my big old head. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is not gonna work. What am I gonna do? Blah 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 blah. Okay, so while I'm doing my hair and while I'm like, you know, in the bathroom that you saw cutting it, and I'm just like, okay, it's kind of coming to life, it dawned on me that I was just kind of like, you know what, this hair is perfect for an actual style. I'm gonna put some styles up here that I think that would be perfect for this hair. Like, just, yeah. In the package, you get 3 strands of hair. At first, I was like, what the heck? This is not gonna work. So 3 strands of hair, 4 packs, that's only 12 strands to do a whole head. So I'm like, okay. This company must know what they're talking about. They must know what they're doing. At some point, whenever doing styles or whatever it is, not just dealing with hair, you kind of have to trust the company, and you kind of have to be like, okay, they've already tested this. They already know what they're doing. They already know what they're talking about, blah, blah, blah. So at one point, I just took 1 strand and I split it into 3 sections, because normally at first I was doing like multiple sections, creating a whole bunch of frizz. But I was like, let me just split it into 3 and then see what happens. And the hair is so full. That's the thing. I don't know, you guys, that's the thing with it. It's kind of like you don't start off with a lot of hair, but it ends up being a lot of hair within these packages. I was just kind of blown away, because I've never come into contact or never dealt with crochet hair like this, and I'm not mad at it. Like, I'm not tripping, nothing like that. At first I was like, WTF, but now I'm just like, it. What helped me was also having a style in mind. I always say that whenever it comes to curly hair, curly crochet, weave, whatever you want to call it, a wig, and you're going to cut it, you need to have an end goal, and you need to have kind of some inspiration that you are like striving for. Going in blindly and just cutting curly hair and not really knowing what shape you're going for or anything like that, it is not gonna work. I've done it, and you're just gonna end up with a mess or cutting more hair than you needed to cut, and you're gonna be pissed off that you didn't wasted your money. And I also wanted to keep it short for the summertime, and I just thought it would just be much easier to maintain. So if you are a fan of big hair, or you like what I've got going on, or you just want to try something different like I did, then I would suggest this hair. That's pretty much it for the review. I hope you guys kind of understood what I was trying to get at. Great hair, beautiful hair, love the curls, love everything about it except for that splitting of the hair in the beginning. But once, like I said, once you get the hang of it, you will be good. And I have some great news for you. They were kind enough, Trendy Tresses was kind enough to send me 4 packs, exactly what you will need in order to create a look like this, or whatever style you decide to come up with for my giveaway. So we are doing another giveaway. I told you guys I would have one. I love doing giveaways for you guys. As I grow, I hope to always give back to you, and I love that you guys are on this journey with me with trying to just doing hair and doing what I like to do and doing different things and all that kind of great fabulous stuff. All right guys, so let's get into the rules of this giveaway. I keep my rules very simple all the time. You must be following me on Instagram at Marii, and you also must be following Trendy Tresses. I will put that down here, both on Instagram. You also have to be subscribed to my channel, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Lastly, let me know your hair goal, whether it's thickness, length, or you're growing your edges back, anything like that. Put that down below for me, along with your Instagram name, so that I can put 2 and 2 together. And please make sure you guys are following all of my steps. They're not hard or anything like that, but I do check. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.